Welcome to our 2024 Black Friday special. Now the theme for this year is all about maintenance. We want customers to really look after their machines in a preventative fashion so that nothing goes wrong going into the future and into 2025. We have our essentials, standard and preventative maintenance kits. We have a repair kit and a rebuild kit. And each kit includes everything that the previous kits also has in them. So if you buy the large repair kit, you also get everything from the smaller repair kits. And this year we have a special offer of 20% discount for the period of Black Friday starting 15th of November and ending 15th of December. So if you'd like to look after your roaster going into 2025, make sure that you pick up one of these wonderful kits. My personal favorite is the Preventative Maintenance Kit, which includes everything that you see in front of you, along with the essential and standard maintenance kits. So the focus is on looking after your machine to do preventative maintenance and perhaps catch up on maintenance that you may have missed on. Now, the preventative maintenance kit really has the best value. So jump on the bandwagon and, I don't know, do something.